A well-loved brand back in the day, Nokia continues to flourish with a completely new identity in its Android smartphones. What's good about them is that they offer devices for literally every segment of the market. That means there's something even for those who only need a basic phone for calls and text. As such, for today, we're shifting our focus to the more budget-oriented market with a phone that does a lot for less. Hi guys! Eman here of GadgetPilipinas.net, and today we are unboxing the Nokia 3.2. While mostly plastic, the Nokia 3.2 doesn't seem like a budget phone at all. It's got the perfect form and size for one-handed use, though the glossy body means it's prone to smudges. You get a 6.26-inch notch display with HD Plus resolution. Of course, colors aren't as punchy as those AMOLED panels that are quite common these days, but it's okay for daily use. There's also a dedicated button for launching the Google Assistant. Under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 chip, backed by 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, which may not be enough for some. Fortunately, the phone has a micro SD card slot. We tried playing Mobile Legends on this phone, and of course, there was no support for HFR, though the game still ran pretty well. For optics, you get a single 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front snapper. Sample shots showed, though, they are evidently inferior compared to even the most affordable mid-rangers. Nokia 3.2 runs on Android 9 Pie and delivers a pure stock experience. That means no bloatware, and it being part of the Android One program means that it's guaranteed to get at least 2 years of OS upgrades. In fact, HMD Global has already announced its Android 10 roadmap, and the 3.2 is of course included in the list. Despite being a budget device, it still packs a complete suite of security features, including Face Unlock. Nokia 3.2 currently retails for $7,990, which seems a bit over the top for what it offers. So that was our unboxing and first impressions of the Nokia 3.2. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and do check out our social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This is Eman, and thank you for watching.